My vlog, it's cooking time. It's late already. Because I just marinate that chicken for a while before I cook it. Anyway, my menu today is I'm gonna cook yummy and crispy fried chicken. And before I fry the chicken, I'm dipping it with this is the chicken that I marinate while ago. The chicken. And this is the chicken with the egg. I dip it in the egg and the flour before I fry it. This is my menu today. I'm gonna cook yummy and crispy fried chicken today. This flour, I'll mix it with corn flour and all-purpose flour. Cellphone is lubat. You see, why this two cover, double cover of the Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and don't forget to share and subscribe. I forgot to tell you, I just marinate the chicken with black pepper, salt, and lemon. See this? Anyway, I don't eat chicken because I have allergy with the chicken. This is for them only. We still have the adobo. I buy a lady finger. I just steam the lady finger and I steam it. That's all, guys. Happy Sunday. Sunday is a family day. I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family if your family is still around. Me, I don't have family anymore. And I'm far from my sibling. My sibling and my poor sibling is in the Philippines. My other sister, my one sister is in Saudi, working in Saudi. I'm working in UAE for almost 18 years now. And every time I go vacation in the Philippines, I'm not going home to Mindanao. Last vacation, I went visit to the town province of Tatay Digong, former President Rodrigo Duterte. I did not see my brother and sister in Mindanao because they live in a different town. They're not living in the one place, separate place in other town. It's far from Davao. I just went to Davao because my vacation is only 1 month. Just check something in Davao. I'm checking something in Davao. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy Sunday vlog. Enjoy your day together with your family because today is a family day. It's a Sunday. It's a family day. Bye guys. My cellphone is low.